Hello, e-commerce shop owner. So today we are going to be talking all about how to know if the Facebook pixel is installed on your website. And this is just going to be a short video, step-by-step tutorial about how to check if the Facebook pixel is installed. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to get the Facebook pixel helper. So you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store extensions and then look up Facebook Pixel Helper and then click on Add to Chrome. If you are joining me live, I'm so glad to have you here on my TikTok channel. If you're watching the video after the fact, make sure you go get on my TikTok channel so that you can join me for all of the live videos. Of course, be sure to follow my account so you'll be notified of every new tutorial that I come out with and every new topic we talk about for your business. So today, Facebook Pixel Helper, we are talking about how to know if the Facebook pixel is installed on your website. Go to the Chrome extension, download and add to Chrome that Facebook Pixel Helper. That is step one to see if the Facebook pixel is installed on your website. Let's go ahead and go to step two. Step two for checking if it is installed on your website is to, once the extension is installed, open it up. You can see the extension. There's a little arrow right here. That's what the extension looks like on your Chrome browser. Open that up and turn it on. And then go to your website and it will load and tell you if there's a Facebook pixel installed. So you can see that right there. It's telling me there's a Facebook pixel and it's telling me the pixel ID. So that tells me that there is in fact a Facebook pixel installed on this website. So those two steps, installing that Facebook pixel helper and then going to your website, can tell you immediately if the Facebook pixel is installed on your website. Of course, there's additional information. You can look at page view data, et cetera, but that will tell you basically if it is installed. A second way that you can find out if the Facebook pixel is installed on your website is going to be to go to your events manager. So the URL is right there. You're going to go to facebook.com/events_manager. And it's right here. And then you are going to click on data sources, just like it shows right here. And once you go to data sources, it will list out any Facebook pixels that you have attached to your Facebook account. So those are the two ways that you can check if you've got the Facebook pixel installed on your website. And if you have a Facebook pixel at all, you're going to go install that Chrome extension and check and see if it shows that there's a Facebook pixel when you visit your website. And you can even go to the Facebook Events Manager. So that is all for today. Today we were talking about how do I know if a Facebook pixel is installed on my website. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, definitely post those. Comment below. Don't forget to follow my channel. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for the next video where we'll be talking more about the Facebook pixel. If you missed the last 3 weeks of videos, we have already talked about Google Analytics, your email analytics, and looking at your analytics for your Facebook and YouTube channels. Go back and check out those videos. I hope to see you tomorrow. Have a great day.